In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multi-columns to Shopify. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a clean multi-column section on your store's pages and customize it so it matches your brand and layout. First, log into your Shopify admin account. This is your main dashboard where you manage products, orders, and of course, your online store's design. Once you're on the admin homepage, look at the menu on the left-hand side. From that left panel, click on Online Store and then select Themes. This is where all of your store's themes are listed. Find the theme you're currently using on your live store. Next to it, click on the option to customize or edit theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually adjust sections and content without touching any code. Inside the theme editor, you'll again see a panel on the left, but this time it shows the sections that make up the page you're currently editing. Scroll through that list until you see an option to add a section. Go ahead and click Add Section. A list of available section types will appear. From this list, choose multi-column. This section type is designed to display multiple blocks of content side by side, which is perfect for highlighting features, collections, or services. Once the multi-column section is added, click on it in the left panel to open its settings. Here you can start customizing. You can change the main heading text and choose a heading size that fits your design. You'll also see options for image width and image ratio, which control how large and how tall your images appear in each column. You can also set a button label, like Shop Now or Learn More, and choose what that button links to. You'll be able to link it to collections, individual products, other pages, blogs, specific blog posts, or even your store policies. Further down, you'll find layout controls, such as column size and column alignment. These options help you decide how wide each column should be and how the content inside them is positioned. You can enable a secondary background, choose a color scheme that fits your brand, and adjust the mobile layout. For mobile, you can decide whether the columns show as a grid or a carousel that users can swipe through. There are also settings for top and bottom padding, which control the space around the section, and an area for custom CSS if you're comfortable adding your own styling. Now, click into each individual column within the multi-column section. For every column, you can add an image, edit the column's heading and description, and set a specific link label and destination. Just like before, you can link each column to collections, products, pages, blogs, blog posts, or policies. This lets you create a visually rich grid where each column points to something different in your store. Take a moment to preview your changes in both desktop and mobile views using the theme editor's preview controls. Adjust text, images, and alignment until everything looks balanced and easy to read. When you're happy with the way your multi-column section looks and behaves, don't forget the most important step: click Save. This will publish your changes to the theme so your visitors can see the new layout live on your store. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a multi-column section in Shopify.